One solution to the given equation can be written as 1 plus the square root of k, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? Now, here there's two ways that we can solve for this by hand, and one of them is called completing the square, and the other one is the quadratic formula. Now, which one to use really depends on the structure of the solution that they're giving us. And you guys are able to see which one's the best method once we start seeing some more problems. But for now, I'm going to use both methods so you can see which one's the best, okay? And then we'll be able to make a decision or draw some conclusions on which one's best depending on the structure of it. So let's go ahead and do completing the square first. So the goal here is to get all the variables on one side of the equation, all the ones that don't have variables on the other side. So I'm going to add 11 to the other side so that I can get all the x's on one side, leave some space, and then add 11 here. So our goal is to find a number that we're going to write here and add it so that we can now rewrite this trinomial as parentheses squared, as a binomial squared. Okay, and the trick to do that, to find this value here, is to get the -4 divided by 2 and then square it. So -4 divided by 2 is -2. -2 squared is a +4. Okay, so because we set this up the way we did, we can now say x minus 2. Now I'm getting the -2 from getting this value and dividing it by 2. So since I set this up the way I did, this is now a perfect square. Okay, so these two go hand in hand. And that's going to be equal to 15. Okay, now that we have this, it's so much easier to solve for x because all we have to do here to undo the squared is square root it. So when we take the square root, we always get two answers, plus or minus. These undo each other, and we get x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 15. Now the last step is just to add 2 on both sides, and we get x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 15. Now if you notice, since it's in that